Water is vital for our health. It makes up the majority of our body weight and it plays an important role in all of our bodily functions. Water helps regulate body temperature, delivers essential nutrients, and flushes out waste and toxins, just to name a few. In this video, I want to share some tips that have helped me drink more water every day. My first tip is to set an intention for yourself. If you don't have a goal in mind, it's like driving endlessly with no destination. You're never going to get anywhere because you don't know where you're going. So set a daily water intake goal. The rule I like to follow is to drink half of my body weight in ounces. So if I weigh 100 pounds, half of that's 50, so my goal would be to drink at least 50 ounces of water every single day. And that's just my starting point. The next step is to take my lifestyle into consideration. Am I exercising? Am I sweating a lot throughout the day because it's the middle of summer and I'm spending a lot of time outside? In that case, I would definitely need more water. So it's important to set a goal based on all of these factors, which are very unique to your body and your lifestyle and environment. Investing in a large water bottle was a game changer for me. Before this, I would have a hard time remembering how many ounces of water I had drank already, especially when I was using different cups or water bottles throughout the day. It was so hard to keep track of my water consumption unless I was writing it down. Now I just have one big stainless steel water bottle that I like to use. It's 64 ounces, so I don't have to constantly be refilling it. It serves both as a visual cue and as a tracking tool. Seeing it reminds me to drink water, and knowing that it holds 64 ounces helps me keep track of how much water I'm drinking throughout the day. Breaking down your goal into smaller goals will make it less intimidating. What I like to do is take my end goal and divide it in half, and I set deadlines for myself to drink the first half by lunchtime and the second half by dinner time or before I go to sleep. Sometimes I'll break it down even further and divide it into 4, so it's really just about making it easier on the mind. 25 ounces 4 times a day sounds way less intimidating than 100 ounces by the end of the day. And this has also helped me drink more water consistently throughout the day, rather than trying to chug large amounts of water right before I go to bed just to meet my goal. A habit I have that I find very helpful is to fill up my water bottle the night before. Doing this automatically sets me up for success because half of the work is already done. My water is ready to go, and now all I have to do is focus on finishing it by my deadline. My next tip is to have water with you at all times. You can't expect to achieve your goal if you're unprepared. So whether you're at work, going to the gym, running errands, whatever it is you're doing, make sure you always have water with you. This is a well-established habit for me. I never leave my house without water. I carry it with me like I carry my purse. Although there are plenty of drinks to choose from, make water your primary drink of choice. Choose water over soda or other sugar-filled drinks. If you find water boring, there are many ways to make it more interesting. For some reason, to this day, I still find it challenging to drink just plain water first thing in the morning, so I always make sure to squeeze in some lemon juice. So do whatever you need to make water more enjoyable for you. These are just some of the tips and things that I've done over the years to increase my water consumption on a daily basis, so I hope you find them helpful too. And if you're simply lacking motivation, just think about all the amazing benefits and everything water does to keep you healthy and alive. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time.